How to use trim options to establish the start and the end of a media clip in DaVinci Resolve 19.0.3. Inside this project's edit window, there is a 5-second video clip on the timeline. Using the selection mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, click and drag your red playhead to the point on your timeline at the relevant media clip where you wish to make a trim that will establish either the start or the end of the relevant media file. In order to remove the first second of this media clip so that the clip starts playing where my red playhead is currently positioned, one method to apply this will be to hold the Shift button and to press the open square bracket. Holding in Shift and pressing the closing square bracket button, on the other hand, will result in the later section of this clip being removed, so that the clip ends at the point on your timeline where the red playhead is positioned. Applying this technique with multiple media clips on different timelines will not cause a ripple effect, as you can see here with the two subsequent clips on video tracks 1 and 2 which remain static. An alternative to the Trim Start option will be to go to Trim and Resize and select Start to Playhead. And the alternative to Trim End will be to select Resize underneath Trim and to choose the End to Playhead option. Ensure that no other media clips on your edit timeline are selected in order for this to function. Deselect by clicking anywhere on the empty timeline section, and just like Trim Start and End, there will be no ripple effect on the rest of your timeline when you choose either the Start or End to Playhead options, with the two media clips further down the timeline remaining in their original positions once the first clip is trimmed. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.